Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are talking snacks. I have been wanting to do this unboxing video, y'all, for like a couple weeks. I've been having this box and I was like, I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to open it until I do the unboxing video. Well, like a few days ago, I went ahead and opened it. Let me show you what I got from nuts.com. But before we do, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know now, y'all. Nuts.com snacks. Let's get it. So I have been ordering from nuts.com for years. And it first started off with me ordering healthy snacks, trail mixes, different kind of nuts, dried fruit, just stuff like that, you know, like trying to be healthy. And then I was like, oh, y'all, they got candy. They have like, you know, other stuff. They have sugar and flour and powdered milk and all that kind of stuff. So every once in a while, you know what I'm saying, like I get my snack on. So here is the box, and this just nuts.com and all kind of stuff like written all over the box, y'all. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute on the outside. But I want to see what's on the inside. Now, of course, y'all know I already opened the box because I started snacking on like one thing. I'm going to show you that first. Now, this just happened to be one of my favorite treats from nuts.com. And it is these. Y'all, I like the bags too. Like, they have different colors and just a little snacking designs. Like, it make you happy till I eat the snacks. This is dark chocolate covered almonds. So it'll tell you what it is on the back. You have like all your nutritional value, what it is, a little bit about it, all that kind of stuff. And then you just have these fun, colorful designs and stuff on the front. So dark chocolate covered almonds, 13 yummy ounces. Not 13 regular ounces, y'all. 13 yummy ounces. And it says, the category is chocolate and sweets. The traits are sweet and caring and enjoys hosting and dancing. The real deal. This character is inspired by Sarah, the granddaughter of Poppy Soul, known for her warmth and making sure everything is sweet as can be. So I have these, and since I already opened this bag, I'll just show you. Y'all look, and this nice size almonds, it's not like little almond pieces or half size, y'all. It's good, and it's dark chocolate. I prefer dark chocolate over milk chocolate. Matter of fact, I don't eat milk chocolate, like talking about it. I prefer dark chocolate, and the darker the better. I have dark chocolate bars that are 85%, 88%, 92%. I know it's bitter, but the more bitter it is, or the less sweet it is, the healthier it is, because you're getting like the cocoa or the cacao, not just a bunch of sugar. So dark chocolate covered almonds, and y'all know I touched it, y'all, so I gotta eat it. And because this is my favorite snack, y'all, I got 2 bags. The next thing I got was these. And these are butter toffee cashews, 1 yummy pound. And apparently, y'all, these open too. Hold up. Y'all, did I open everything? I'm not going to stick my hand in there, but let's see. All right. All right, y'all. So these are the butter toffee cashews, y'all. Look at that. And yes, since I put my hands on these, I gotta eat these too. The next thing I got is the healthy trail mix, and this has jumbo flame raisins, raw almonds, raw Brazil nuts, raw cashews, blanched peanuts, English walnuts, let's see, raw pepitas, that's pumpkin seeds, And let's see, roasted soybeans and raw sunflower seeds. So a lot of raw nuts in here, and then some raisins to give it like a little bit of sweetness. This is not open, but let me see if I can get the pack close enough to you so you can see what's in it. But yep, so a healthy trail mix. This is the next thing that I got, and this is caramel coated popcorn. Ooh, y'all, this is so good. And see, this one, some of them have like see-through, but this one does not. So, and I'm not gonna open it, y'all, but caramel coated popcorn. It has corn syrup, popcorn, sugar, molasses, vegetable oil. That's the only thing I don't like. I wish they did it with coconut oil or avocado oil or olive oil, but it's vegetable oil. Baking soda, salt, soy lecithin, natural vanilla flavor, and butter. Y'all, but these are so good. So caramel coated popcorn. And then I got another kind of popcorn, and this is white cheddar jalapeno popcorn. And this has popcorn, sunflower oil, cheddar cheese, seasoning, whey, buttermilk, maltodextrin, salt, disodium phosphate, and dehydrated jalapeno flakes. So, and see, they give you a little see-through of the popcorn. So I got this, and this is 12 ounces. The caramel popcorn is, this is 1 pound. And then the last thing I got is an example of, like I was saying, they have sugar and milk powder and different stuff like that. And I think I was trying to meet a shipping minimum requirement or something like that. So I just got a pound of raw sugar. So this is just raw sugar, and the ingredients is sugar. But this is like turbinado sugar, so it's still kind of brown. It has some of the molasses still in it. It hasn't been bleached or refined to take all of the molasses out of it. So this is raw sugar, and let me see, this is 1 pound. So that's all the snacks I got from nuts.com. I do have a code or referral link or something like that. I'll put that in the description. If you check out nuts.com, please use my referral link. It's some advantage to you at no extra cost. Y'all, and this is another thing I think is cute. This is like the packing peanuts, but this says invisible peanuts, ingredients air. So y'all know, instead of all of those white packing peanuts that get all over the place and crumble up and spill all over the place when you open a box, they just have these air pads just to help, you know, stuff not to crumble up, or bags to bust open, or stuff to be shaking and moving around in the box. So I think this is cute. Wait, y'all, I might as well add this in this video. So yesterday I went to one of the local farmers markets in my area. And y'all, you know, farmers market, when you think that, you think like majority fresh produce and stuff like that. Nah, y'all, they had one fresh produce area, and then everything else was prepared or cooked food, which was good though, y'all. It was good. I think from the produce stand, I got a 3-pack tray of giant strawberries, y'all. So good. Every strawberry was sweet. And yeah, they gone, so I can't show you that. But I can show you something else I got. Y'all, I must really be about popcorn, because I got, this is caramel popcorn. So I got this bag, and this is considered the large bag. I got this. This is the original. No. This is the butter popcorn. Is it? Yeah, this is the butter popcorn. Large bag. I already started eating some, but y'all, it's so good. And then this one I got is like the spicy cheddar. So spicy cheddar popcorn. This is like the medium size, I think. Or might be small. I can't remember, y'all, but it's good too. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. And no, y'all, it's going to take me weeks to like go through all of these snacks. Because, you know, sometimes I get like my little, just like, oh yeah, I want to have some snacks, or I want this particular thing, or I want that particular thing. I'll eat like a handful or two, and then I'm done until the next time I want it again. I just order from nuts.com. I have all the snacks I need. I got sweet stuff. I got salty stuff. I got spicy stuff. I got healthy stuff. I feel good about eating these snacks in moderation.